This is evening time when I'm recording my video. Look at behind me. A lot of cattle, they are grazing. The scenario is really captivating. And I'm standing on the dam. This is dam. This is not the important things which I should share with you. Rather, I should share with you something important so that you can improve your English, right? So let's come on the topic, which is none other than how to manage time while practicing. I've heard people saying that if I had a lot of time, I would become a fluent speaker in short period of time. But the thing is that I have less time. So how can we manage our time? Before I start sharing with you, my friend, little bit, I want to share with you something. See, when I came today here to record my video, so a lot of people, they started gazing me. You know why? Because harvesting work is going on. So new people, they saw me while recording video, so out of curiosity, some of them, they went to me, and when I was trying to make my video, so they didn't know that they were disturbing me, right? But indirectly they were disturbing me when I was trying to make my video. That is why today I got late. I was searching the conducive place so that I could make my video. That is why it took a lot of time, and finally I got this place. I am on the dam. As I showed you, some children, they are sitting, they are grazing their goats. Some of them, they are grazing their buffaloes, right? So yeah, how do I manage my time? See, my friend, as I live in village area, right? So I have a lot of work to do related to farming, So see, when farming work comes, that time I give a lot of time to farming work and little time to my English. In your case also, if you are housewife and it's not possible to give your 100% time for learning this language, but at least you can give your 30% time for maintaining your consistency. Why consistency is important, my friend? See, in my case, I have spent a lot of time behind learning this language, but the thing is that the day I don't practice, next day I feel fear, that, oh God, I think I'm going to make mistake. Oh God, I think I'm going to hesitate. So many things start happening with me, okay? But if I practice little bit, at least 5 minutes, then I don't get these kinds of feeling, right? For overcoming of these kinds of things or problem, what I do, I try to practice every single day. So in your case also, so it doesn't matter what you do, try to practice every single day, okay? Why? Because if you maintain your consistency, you will not have the fear. See, when I'm recording my video, that boy started dancing behind me. My God, a lot of things happened like that, okay? But no problem. Today I had to suffer a lot. So this is not the important things, yeah. So manage your time, my friend. See, yesterday I worked in my field, and after that I went and I started practicing. Why? Because I understand the importance of consistency. Okay, so in your case also, if you want to become a fluent speaker in short period of time, you have to become more responsible and try to practice every single day. Doesn't matter how much time you are going to give, okay? In my case, my friend, sometime I don't care that whether I'm practicing 4 hour, 5 hour or what. If I have a lot of time, that time, obviously I should give, or I give. But if I don't have a lot of time, in that case, what can I do? In that case, I give little bit time, at least practicing 2 minutes, 1 minute, okay? What I try to do, I try to maintain my consistency. In your case also, try to maintain your consistency. Today, my friend, I am not able to make my video very comfortably, They are talking very loudly, and I thought that if I start walking, I may avoid, whatever they are chatting. But the thing is that they also started coming towards me. So their voice is going to disturb. So I'm sorry for today's disturbance. So many things happened like that, okay? Many people, they came to me. They asked that what you are doing. A lot of things happened today. I would say that in my entire journey, today was the day when a lot of people saw me while recording my video. And if they only watch me, it doesn't bother me or it doesn't disturb me that much. Let's suppose you are making your video and you haven't written anywhere. So in that case, you are gathering your thought, right? So someone can come and start talking to you. In that case, how can you be focused? So look at behind me, a lot of goats are coming. So yeah, this is what I couldn't make my video very perfect way. So see my friend, a lot of goats are coming. These boys were also bothering me. They went to me and they were asking that what you do, so many questions, and I was just regretting why I went that place, okay? But I didn't have any option. In my village, I tried to record my video very near to my home, but the thing is that they started engine, okay? So see, a lot of struggles are there, but the thing is that we need to do our work. If we are persistent enough, my friend, if we want to become a fluent speaker, we need to keep one thing in our mind, that anyhow we should maintain our consistency. Yes, you heard it right. Anyhow, we should maintain our consistency. Why I'm saying like this? See, I have given already a lot of time behind learning this language. But if today, if I leave practicing, it will start impacting my fluency. And a lot of things will start happening. In your case also, if you don't practice every single day and you are just breaking your consistency, then it will be hard to become a fluent speaker, my friend. Okay, so manage your time. And how? Today someone asked me that how do you manage your time, because I have heard you do farming work and other work also. So how do you manage? Then I simply replied, see, what I do, the day I have other work, so I can't deny other work, right? I can't say that I have to only practice English, right? English alone is not very important for me. I have other responsibility too, just like my family member, farming work, study, so many things, right? So I simply replied her, first of all, that day especially, because these kinds of work are not going to be always, but some of them, they have, like those who are working in a office or those who are housewife, they have always that responsibility, right? But in my case, I think field related work is not going to remain same or every day, right? So what was my reply to that particular person? I said that, see, the day if I have a lot of work, so what I do, I work very hard in my field, and somewhere other also, I come at my home and I take my mobile, and at least I try to talk with someone 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, okay? And that 2-3 minutes, it gives me courage for next day, and I don't feel next day that I didn't practice, okay? In your case also, the day you have a lot of work, you feel that I can't practice, even you have to practice at least for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you can give, okay? Here we make mistake. We think that if we have a lot of time, I will practice a lot. If I don't have time, I should not practice. My friend, this is our fault. Here we are making mistake, okay? We need not to make this mistake. Otherwise, we are going to face the consequences. Which kinds of consequences? That will not get fluency fast way, okay? But the thing is that we all wants to get fluency fast way. So did you watch how much I suffered today? When I was making my video, a lot of people, they came and started asking me that what you are doing, and so many things happened. So we should not make the excuses. Whatever problem comes, sometime it comes to serve us, okay? And here I'm talking especially about time management. So first of all, one hand, your work is important, your family member, your study is important. But on the other hand, you have started learning this language. So who is going to take responsibility of learning this language? No one can take other than you, right? So take the responsibility of learning this language, and then you will see that your English will improve, okay? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.